Welcome to Daily Tech Tips. In this video, we discuss all facts about new Apple iPhone 17 major reporting problem. In this video, we discuss what's happening, why Apple shift back to aluminum from titanium, and what are the actual major reasons for using aluminum, and other important facts about this problem. Well, users are calling it Scratchgate. Reports are flooding in about the Pro's aluminum frame getting scratched and dented far too easily. Even from something as simple as keeping it in your pocket with keys or coins, some other metal or plastic things. Why did Apple make this choice? And it's really design flaw or just a trade off? The iPhone 17 Pro frame is made of aluminum. Now, aluminum has one big issue, it's soft and ductile. That means it's way more prone to scratches and dents compared to harder metals like titanium. But the real twist, according to some reports, the material itself isn't not only the problem. The design of the edge and even abrasions from accessories like cases might be making the scratches more visible. This is where the name Scratchgate comes from, a nickname from this controversy among iPhone 17 Pro users. The next topic, why the shift back to aluminum from titanium. So the big question is, why would Apple switch from premium titanium on the iPhone 17 Pro and back to aluminum on the iPhone 17 Pro? There are actually four major reasons. First one is cost and manufacturing. Aluminum is cheaper and much easier to machine at scale. This makes it more practical choice for mass production. Second one is sustainability. Apple has promised carbon neutrality by 2030 and aluminum has a lower carbon footprint compared to titanium. This plays a huge role Apple's green strategy. Third one is heat dissipation, heat management system. Aluminium conduct heat better than the titanium. That means your iPhone can handle longer gaming sessions or heavy video or heavy work hard using recording without overheating as quickly. Last one is weight and internal space. Aluminum is lighter than titanium. A lighter frame means the device feels easier to hold and also keep free up space for things like larger batteries, upgraded camera modules and some hardware items. That are the all reason for Apple choose aluminum for 17 Pro. Apple moves to aluminum brings clear benefits in cost, sustainability, heat management and weight, but the trade-off is durability. Aluminum just is not as resistant to scratch and dents. That's why the Apple iPhone 17 Pro is caught up in this so-called Scratchgate controversy. Should Apple have stuck with titanium for the Pro models, or was aluminum is the right move to the future? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this breakdown usefully, don't forget to like, subscribe our YouTube channel.